Yeah, ever tip for the day. God bless entertainment. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all about God bless entertainment. Yeah, we go for the street, for the Trento city today to ask some of our brother question. What did they paint there for mine? The question be say, where God bless entertainment won't ask, they be say, between get we just call you from Libya, enter Italy, and the one we don't pay for here. Which one you go choose? Now the one just come new, now you go choose. I've been at the one we don't pay for here, we just spend like 10 years, 15 years. But the one you follow flight come. Which one? That is the question. If that way just come new, which one you go choose? I've been at the one we don't pay for here, now you go choose. But for me, I get my own question. So more go to the street, more go boss them, maybe see if any question. You go laugh to me. Let's go there.
My name is Favor.
Your name is Favor from Nigeria. Who stays from Nigeria? Edo State, Awushi. And sister, we get one question. Sister Favor, we get one question we want to ask you this morning. Between boy, we just come you. Both the one follow plane, both the one follow land, both the one follow water come Europe. And the one we don't take for here. Among those two boys, which one you like marry? Or you go like date as boyfriend or whatever?
The new one.
Okay, boy we just call you. Why you like the boy we just call you?
Because he's more respectful than the one I get.
Okay, but we just call you, they respectful. So the ones we don't take for here, they're not respectful at all. Huh?
Yes.
But me, I don't take for you, I did respectful. Me, I get respect. And most of my friends we don't take for you, they get respect. Why do you not see all those ones?
Because that one way call me, I never take.
Okay, the one you call you, I never tear. Others women we don't take for you, never tear. Yeah. So that is why you like the one we just call you.
Yes.
And you just the one we just call you, you're not go there for money at all.
No be now.
Now maybe Bogeze one of Trento.
Bogeze one of us, we greet you. Bogeze one of Trento, we greet you. Bogeze, we get one question for you this morning.
Yeah.
We want to ask you. Now this morning, they come the street and we ask for our brother, say, between it that get where you come, don't enter Europe new, but the one follow desert, but the one follow play come. Everyone
desert,
follow water, everybody. Come.
Yeah.
Where you come new, and the one we don't take for years. Which one you go like marry as wife? Or you go like just Shoko, make it go? Or you go like friend? Among the two sure you like pass.
Oh boy, this one a big question.
Why the big question? A very simple question.
To me, all those one we don't take for don't be say they're not good. Like me now, me na Idari. Me never switch to for Europe like that. You understand? But I prefer Idari because na Idari, they never know anything. If you carry Idari go outside, I always say move. Or Padania, now you go give up for us.
Just they invite heat rashes.
You go open up for you, you go do where you go enjoy. You know, say man, yes. Now go. This one are fresh tomatoes.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
Shut up that time.
All those one we don't take for here, all those men we don't take for here, we don't travel go Napoli, Benjo, no way. After they don't one for one side, all those one corner things.
A good chap be that.
They cause they want to settle down with one man, we be say man, no one, no two.
Now my
when we say man, you know fit talk, bros. That kind of life, they are not feeling about.
It's a chat.
But you know, something that they like money, and some of them they pay madam.
Yes, all those one. I don't to blame them because normal level the new con. Yes, when you come Europe, we see money.
Now so.
But inside there, just we will stay the position, we still position them in the normal way. When we say men don't see understand, say men and gamma, they see me for here. And inside there, don't see get regard for us.
Me give a
cash. You know, not say men Idari or Idari, don't visit that one. Everybody on one. Thank you.
I don't understand.
So I help you. So among those two boys, which one you prefer?
Nigeria.
On Nigeria, Edo State. So among those two boys, which one you prefer to be with? But we just come you, we enter Europe, and the one you don't take for this Europe. Among those two people, which one you prefer pass on your own?
For my own, I'm the one way not too new, not too old. Now I want.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Why you prefer that one? Why?
That one still dey okay because the one way don't old there, yeah, too old. The one way new coin, you don't get anything. I don't feel carrying person load them now.
Okay, no problem.
My name is that. All the way from Edo State now.
Right? Now you're not MC Timothy. Where they rave all over Europe.
Cross na me.
I go bench and hear your name for there.
Cross na me.
So, Bros Timothy, we get one question for you today. We say for Idari, get where just come where you enter Europe new. Both the one you take flight, the one you follow desert car, and the one we just pay for here. Among those two women, which one you prefer pass? To date with, to marry, or to friend? Which one you prefer on your own? Which one you like pass?
Bros, if you check the matter first, look at for two sides. First of all, now you say Idare means say person don't newly come.
Yes.
Shabi. Then the other one you say person don't pay. Now we say don't pay for the ground, Abi. Bros, if you check out for me, as I tell like this, so for me, I never still pay. For me, I go like prefer that way we don't pay for him because those ones they understand things and I say the
why you prefer that one?
Hey, why I prefer that one because all those ones we don't say they know the law. You understand? And you go still you know spend much. You don't go spend much because all those things that those ones they demand they too much. Before you go know they never buy pants, they never buy Precia, they use unicorn, they need slippers, their mama they house they sick. And after they give you many talk. Say their mama they sick, now so their papa just sit at bed, but right, you don't know whether that's true or not lie. But hotel no go fit tell you that kind of thing. So I prefer that one we don't say for here well.
But you know so that hotel way there as well, if it gog you for here, if they beat you for here, if it give you any for you understand.
Bro, don't talk that word again. I be Benin boy, sure you know me well. I be Timo. Sure understand. No girl go fit gog me. If she fuck up for here, no problem. I go tell her say my papa say they want see us for Nigeria. But we go house.
So if you go to Nigeria, what do you want to do for Nigeria?
Bros, by the time I pizza, man, if you make me better, I'll see the passport. I'll leave and come back here. By the time you don't change, I go to call up on phone. Baby, you don't change. If you say you don't change, then before I carry a come. If I carry a come, maybe this country, they come another country because I know say now woman I get love for Europe.
But you know say some of it that way they call you, they see good. Some of them they're good. They're responsible, not be all of them bad. Some of them they go like start life with you. You understand?
Bros, the only thing where you go feel enjoy for it that now fucking.
Oh!
Because the position then work, all those girls you need cross from Libya, you know all those kind of girls now, all those still did their body, but all those hotels they don't see prick tire, they don't see prick tire, sky prick you want talk, they don't see long, they don't see short, they don't see vein wound, they don't see you understand now those who pocky.
Ha!
Hello, wait.
Okay, continue.
But all those those ones they only Libya prick they fuck. But yeah, they're different. So if they call you do correct this thing work. As they give them that, they go to holla, leave. So and then they have so and then they like either they switch when it comes to body pop. So but I prefer people will not stay here. And that one I want, bro.
Shut up that
I call you, I'm not the one we don't stay for here. Which one you like among those two girls?
The old one.
And the old one you like? Yes. Why you like the old one?
Because why they don't experience things, they know the way life is for Europe side. If you give them money, they know the way they'll take the most. For the people who new console, everything about them, I just money. And number two, they do the form. They know they like to calm down for man. That's the way they don't say for this side now. They know the respect of man. The respect we're supposed to give man. They will give man. But all those way new console. They know they like to give men, they know they like to give their respect. And number two, they just the form. I say maybe another thing. For me, I don't like prefer all those ones will be like say you don't think for you. But you know, so also for years, so sometimes they feel make you gog. Sometimes they don't make you gog. So you know that one. Not be all. Not be all. Now the way that is that God. And I will pray because they are not believing a person, I will make us stay God. Because why? Now the way you take do follow and I will take God. You even though woman they tell you this thing, you suppose you see use grace to take follow and say waka. And don't me say do this one, follow up do this one, do this one, follow up do this one. That means say you got the near God give you. But you know just make that way some people just call you. Some girls, not be all of them like money, some people love you, they give you everything free, they still understand you. Even though if you not give them money, so you know say someday like that. Well, sir, me don't know whether that's the orientation what they call the give them now or now the same room now they call it that. All of them now one behavior now they call it.
My name is Prince Igbe, the Yasoba of Benin Kingdom.
For today's show of Jobless Entertainment. So we'll get one question for you today. We want to ask you for this Europe.
Okay.
So we would like me you answer this question today so that you can let our brothers and sisters make them say no. So the question be say, if direct get we just call you, go the one you take flight, and the one you follow desert come Italy new. And the one we don't take for here. Among those two girls, which one you go like choose to marry or you go like to friend among those two girls? So we would like hear from you. Which one you like pass among the two?
among the two way you dey talk about, so no one will be say I not like for the two to marry or to friend, but depends on the characters and their behaviors and the doings. Why the reason why they talk this word, the good ones there for the daddy, the bad ones there for the good ones there for the old school, the bad one there for the daddy, the bad one there for the old school. But it tell the grace of God, do you know why? The good men for this Europe, what would they show? Hardly before they come across good woman. Hardly. It tell the grace of God.
It's the king on the beat.
JBE, Job Bless Entertainment. So everybody clap for my Lord, Everybody clap for my Jesus.